We need to talk about the mercenaries and their mullets. It's getting out of hand.
Claire, climb in that cave and get the treasure.
I don't know. I can't remember what they're called. I do know what you're talking about, though.
Yeah, like the fact
that
there's a werewolf, but humans can't see that he's a werewolf.
Yeah.
But a grim and other... Is it Vixen?
Oh,
Vixen?
no.
That's a fault.
Don't know.
Can. So there's like CG where you see him as the werewolf.
Mm-hmm.
And stuff. So like his face slightly changes.
Yeah. I'll check it out and see what it's like. I do have to watch so many shows, but yeah. What is this, Claire? What is this thing? Look at it. What is this? That could have happened to me in the last Switch. It's a bit extreme, innit?
I'm just gonna take the hand out. Whoa.
There we go. That poor man.
Pretty elaborate test. Trial.
What the hell are we doing?
And this guy.
You ever held a skeleton hand?
Let's do better.
Why not? It's
On
fun.
the bottom there.
It's a bucket.
Bucket.
A bucket of water. Oh, I gotta get the water up there.
Now what?
Okay. Where's water? Have you got any water? Oh, there's water down here. Fill the bucket. Bloop. There we go, look. What are we doing? Oh, I have to pass it up. Okay, this is a real puzzle. So, the thing I like about this game, I think I might have mentioned it already. The puzzles in this one are really cool. I like them. I like them a lot. Pirates do good puzzles, Claire.
That big wheel thingy.
Okay.
You don't sound enthusiastic or happy to be here. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you concentrating?
A little bit. I was changing colour.
Okay.
I think I see what's going on here.
Change
Something
in
with the
colour.
three crosses? Yeah. I'm guessing we're looking at Jesus, our good thief Dismas, and the jerk thief Gestus.
Okay. So
Gestus.
Cross is Dismas. So the
yeah,
black
Gestus,
one is
look.
Gestus.
Is Gestus an actual person or are they taking the piss? Like, have I missed something?
What's wrong with Gestus?
It's because it's Jesus. And Dismas.
Jesus is in the
and
middle.
it's like, this is the Gestus.
Oh no, there's three of them. Apparently they were beside him when he was crucified. I guess. So the white one is
because they rhyme. This
no,
is the asses.
no, because this is down like back during like the Romans and stuff, right? Because the Romans crucified him, right? Am I right?
Yeah. Your
And
point.
you had like Damascus and Julius Caesarus and
Julius?
you know. Mufasas. I don't know what I'm saying. I thought I was going to say Mufasa, but it didn't work.
Do not know what you're saying either, to be quite frank.
Right. White on the left, the big one in the middle.
Was Dismas to the left of Jesus? Well, are you looking at them from the front
Okay.
or the back? The front.
The
Then,
front.
Yeah, he was on the left.
Okay,
that's
so
what I've got.
white on the left, Jesus in the middle, black on the right. Okay? Right. Let's work this out. Okay, so this turns this like that. But then when I turn that... Okay, so if I turn this for now... Oh god, no, that's the top one. Claire, help. Help me, Claire. So turn this one. So that's where Jesus needs to end up, right? But then I need to... Oh, okay. Help me. Help me. Do you know what I'm doing?
Not really.
Buckets at the top.
Something there moved when you put the bucket on top.
There's a channel running from the mechanism to the door.
Okay.
Okay, so bucket on top is good. Keep it
I
there.
think that goes there. Then turn this one. Look, they're in the right place. But then he isn't. So if I do this, and then this... that will not work. If I do this, though... Claire! I'm a genius! We did it together! A team!
Yes, we
That's
did.
gotta be it.
Let's find out.
Let's.
Well,
So you're gonna pull the switch?
Oh, no. I'd hate to deprive you of...
what a bastard! What if I get spiked? Can you actually get spiked, do you reckon, if you've got it wrong?
I don't know.
Well, here I go. Fingers crossed. Well, I should have done it with the other hand, the one with the wedding ring on, because I don't think I'll be needing it anymore after lying to Elena. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. The water's going down.
No Nate kebabs today.
Shishkanates or Nate kebabs.
So, if that was a test, what do you suppose it was?
Journal entry.
Filling
If you're a
bucket?
pirate.
I had to know about St. Dismas. I bet
Huh.
Avery and all of his crew were intimately familiar with. It's not that hard of a test.
Do you like his
It's
picture?
not the only one.
Yeah.
It felt like a brain, an eyeball, a wet cat, or a lion's mouth. Or no, that's a hairy man's mouth. I thought that was a lion. Jeez. What was I saying? I said something. I don't remember. I don't remember what I said. Do you think we're a good pirate yet? We're worthy of being a pirate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's killed
Sheesh.
people, he stole things, so yeah.
Yeah, doing well. I haven't found much booty yet, though. Whee.
You
I guess
have
I found
wife.
a little bit. I guess so. That's true. Whee. Why do we like swinging so much? What's that about? Not me and my wife. I mean, on the ropes. Oh wait, there is a treasure. Look, there's a treasure right there.
Bridge.
Oh wait, I have found treasures, haven't I? Oh, I'm an idiot.
Hey, come here.
What's happening?
God, my swinging joke confused me.
Okay, I got something for you up here.
Jeez.
Use this to reach those hands.
Not much, like, we haven't had many exciting action yet, have we? Set pieces. Oh shit, they're sending out explosive
What the
flares.
fuck did you do wrong this time? Good, because you died about 50 times in the last one.
Did I? No, I mean as in like, oh no, the plane is crashing. Oh, here I go. Fucking hell.
Do you remember your parachute?
No, I do not have a parachute right now. Oh no, the you know, yeah, you know what I mean. So fucking cool.
You gotta do all this again.
Chapter 15.
Train.
Oh, I love
Right.
how you're seeing it from the outside. That's so cool. We don't have many of those moments, have we?
I guess. Well, we got that big boat scene at some point.
I imagine it was easier when all the
Big boat
bridges
scene.
and
Oh
walkways
god,
were
yeah.
broken.
I was like, no, Claire, that was Uncharted 3. This is so cool. I remember playing this bit, especially in 3D, was so cool. So, I got the platinum for Uncharted 3 today, didn't I?
Yes, you did.
Yeah, so that's something I did. Finished it off. Oh, we're going in a creepy hole. What could possibly go wrong? Shall I go get the treasure? No, it's a waste of time. Nobody needs to see it.
My
Oh,
this way.
this is creepy. Are you claustrophobic at all?
I don't think so.
I see some light through here.
Yeah, I don't think so. Although I do occasionally have dreams where I have to crawl through something and it gets tighter and tighter and I can't get through.
Cathedral.
So that's a thing.
Okay.
That's like a recurring thing. I have that quite often. That normal? What does that mean? You're the dream
No
expert.
idea.
No? Don't know? Oh, what's going on here?
Dream expert.
Don't know. Something's going on here, Claire.
Oh, hold on. What? Listen.
There's people.
Anything noteworthy by the door?
Oh no.
Not unless you count some cleverly worded heads.
Not her again.
Have you finished digging by the chapter house?
We have, ma'am. The northwest sites are wide open as well.
And what
Not
about
very
the
good
south
at this, are they?
Not yet. It'll take us a day
Oh,
to
here's
make
the
the trek.
dickhead.
Nadine.
Your favourite character, isn't he?
Make it happen.
Yeah.
In the meantime, you can dig up without it.
I'll send a couple of men over right away.
Good.
Good.
Rafe, any luck with those manuscripts?
Do you think they're going to beat us
We
to
have
it?
a minute.
Oh, why is he seems mad.
Yes, ma'am.
That man has a cool mullet. We need to talk about the mercenaries and their mullets. It's getting out of hand. I don't like it. Would you have a mullet, Claire?
I
you
don't
seen it?
think so.
No.
Why not?
Why?
Because there wasn't much
I
left.
dare you.
after they'd finished.
Cut your hair into a mullet for the last month of us being
No,
locked
'cause
away.
it probably won't grow back in time.
Progress in 2 days.
A news flash for you as well. Starting tomorrow after your haircut, we're having face cam.
Of course.
They got something going on. No, he's just being
I'll
weird.
let them know they need to give you a heads up before they do anything drastic.
Oh, he doesn't want rubble, he said.
Or you can
That's
tell
what he
them to
said.
sit tight until I analyze the few clues that haven't been blown up.
No, we can't sit around
Oh,
waiting any longer.
he's mad at her for blowing shit
A
up.
bit more experience with this sort of thing than you do.
Surprise.
We tried things your way.
Bullshit. You've been wanting to level this place ever since we got here.
No, I wanted to steal that cross long before it ever even made it to that auction.
Oh.
The same auction where I couldn't have my men around to deal with any surprises.
The auction was the cleanest way
But
to get
instead
the
of
cross.
going with my gut, I listened to you. And now we have competition.
Oh, well, I didn't
Yeah.
think he'd show up.
Why did you
Or
think
maybe
he'd
you
show
wanted
up?
to draw 'em out.
Nathan always shows up.
Why the hell would I do that?
Because you think you need him.
He's weak.
And maybe you do. Point is, I'm done.
They
trying
can't
to
do it without me.
If the treasure is here, we'll find
I'm a
it.
smart boy.
And if not, well,
So what haircut would you do?
No.
maybe it's time to move on. Huh?
None. Why not? I think you should just cut a strip down the middle of your head.
Hey, it's not personal.
Of course.
I'll let you know if anything turns up.
My stomach done a weird grumble then. I don't know if the mic picked that up. Well. Oh, he's angry. I don't get these pirate puzzles.
Let's get moving before they blow that treasure to bits. Oh, stop making out. Wait. You think she was right though? About what? About
Luring
trying
us.
to draw you out.
Do you think he lured us out?
Who cares? Doesn't
Yeah.
matter.
Which, huh?
Maybe. Do you know what this scene reminds me of?
What's that?
The bit in
Annexed
Was it
area, just what they were
Uncharted?
talking about.
3
side
when
chick
they
who
came
just
out
literally
like the
went
treasure
here.
room, and those two guys were just there, and they're like, "Oh."
Treasure room.
Well, they came out of
Okay.
one of the temple in Syria or something, and there was just the two suited guys like outside, and they were like, "Oh."
Yeah. Yeah. I remember there's a bit in Uncharted 3 as well where he stumbles through a door and there's just the guys drinking a drink. Oh look, there's a treasure, Claire. I found one.
Nice.
What is it? There's a little pewter box.
My
Nice.
favourite.
Cool. Yeah. Excuse me, sir. Right, we're going this way. There's some more treasure. Whee! Oh, oh. So, did I ever explain that I'm not collecting the treasures for a reason?
I think so.
In that I've already done it. I need to go here. Look, they're being sneaky.
A little too high to jump up there unless you got
I'll swing over there. Oh, I might have gone a bit low down.
left it in my backyard.
Whee! Oh, we haven't talked about work, have we? Ow, fuck.
Is that a bad
So
thing?
we,
I wish.
well, no, just that we were expecting to go back to work in about a week and a half's time, right? Until the open of our cinema got delayed by like 21 days, right? So 3
3
weeks. So we now got another month to go before we're even back at work, possibly, because who knows if we're all going back at once. So more games to play, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I guess it doesn't mean we don't have to rush Uncharted as much now. Not that we had to rush it. We could have played it when we met up, but yeah.
Well, we're definitely getting closer to the cathedral.
Where am I going?
What's left of it. Gotta say, this
is a
far
big
more
spooky
sophisticated
cave.
than I was expecting.
This is huge, isn't it?
Yeah.
Years to
Do
build.
you think this would ever be in
There's no
Scotland?
expense to hide $400 million.
Is that going to hold
Here goes
me?
nothing.
Let's see. Ow! That must hurt, swinging into the wall.
Good thing you're not heavier
What's up?
than the crate.
I was gonna say there's only one way to find out.
Well, but I already did it.
Made it. What's the plan?
Ow.
I'm working on it.
Do I push it down there?
You can hook
And
our
then we
ropes onto
swing?
this. That'll work.
Will that work? If I push it over here, what do you reckon?
Me?
Yeah. Who knows? So Claire is taking open commissions for any crocheting you'd like her to do.
Am I?
Just email her at crochetqueen@hotmail.com. Do you reckon that's an email?
Probably.
Probably is, yeah.
I'm now going to get an influx.
What, that person's going to get an influx of emails? Yeah. What am I doing here? Is this right? Do I do this? And then go wee. Oh look, that'll work. I'm just gonna get people going, can you make me a Pikachu, please?
It's gonna be hi Claire, can you just... And the person's gonna be like, who is this Claire that they think they're emailing?
Yeah.
Who needs bridges?
Bridges should be abolished. Can we abolish all bridges?
No, can't go through there. How do we get through?
Well, of course we can't. It's all bloated up.
Over here.
You'd have to get used to boats, I guess, if we get bridges.
Get used to, oh, if we want to go across rivers.
Place wasn't completely full.
What is this?
Probably be trapped again.
What is that?
Nathan, look around you.
Is that a bridge?
Holy crap. This
Jesus.
must have been another test, but it all just crumbled into the ocean.
Hey, we don't have to do a test anymore,
Test
right?
now is
Nice.
How do we get across? How do we? Do I climb down? Oh, I can climb down there, look. Simple. Oh, what did I find? The fuck is that noise? Oh, I swear my family go to bed earlier and earlier every night.
Was that a knock on the wall because you were being too loud?
No, I think they were tap dancing.
Nice.
I don't know.
Always,
Do you want to read
wears
this?
me out before. Oh god, my eyes. Let it be known that I, Thomas Howard,
Wait,
captain of the
wait. Why do you always miss the first line?
April of 1701. Let it be known that I, Thomas Howard, captain of the Dauntless, am a gullible fool. It started with the cross, a cryptic message from my old
Compatriot.
compatriot with a vague promise of paradise. I was skeptical. But the thought of living the remainder of my days at home, wondering what might have been too much to bear, and wondering
I actually thought that was what it was.
The king of pirates. I survived.
So I thought it was spectacle, Claire, and I was like, "Yeah, tell me about the spectacle."
I survived being marooned off the coast of Madagascar. I survived the attack of the East Indiaman. Pembroke? But I will not survive this. My leg is broken and my crew too cowardly to set foot in these damned caverns, cannot hear my calls for help. Who could have imagined my deeds would bring me here to die an ignoble death so far from home? May God himself curse you, Henry Avery, and may my ghost haunt you for the rest of your days.
Lovely.
Wait, can you just go back on that quickly, please?
Yeah? What's up? What bit are you wanting to look at?
Nothing, carry on.
No, what was the matter?
Well, I was really struggling to read it, like it's a bit blurry and I'm struggling to focus. And then I closed my left eye and I thought it was better with my right eye, but you closed it and I was like, wait a second.
Is it better with your right eye?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. But like you said, your left eye is gone?
Not yesterday, was it?
Yes, it was yesterday.
Was it?
Yes, it
Oh
was yesterday.
God. So yesterday I had to go and see the eye doctor.
I'm going across this seesaw, by the way, Claire.
But I'm telling my eye doctor story.
That went well. No, that's cool. Go on. Oh, I can't get up.
There is something that I just hate about the optician.
What is that? When they... what was it I said? Before you have to do eye stretches.
Yeah.
And then I said you have to grab, and you were like, how do you do that? And I was like, grab your eyeball and pull it.
Aw.
Why do you hate the optician then?
Just because I just don't like knowing that my eyes are getting worse and worse.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah. This'll go well. Oh no.
Don't be glib.
What's glib? What does glib mean?
I have no idea.
Anyway, sorry, go on, tell your story.
Okay, I found something.
What, that I went to the optician?
Oh, wasn't there more to it? Was you not going to say
Yeah,
more?
well, my left eye's got worse and now I need new glasses and then it costs me money and I shouldn't moan
Cost you all
because...
the monies. This is going to go well, sorry. Oh, woohoo! Cool.
Hey, nice airtime.
But yeah, it costs you money, which is a pain, right?
Yeah, and then I went on a rant to Tony about why should I pay that my body isn't perfect. I didn't sign up for this life.
Oh god, it's breaking. I wasn't quick enough. You shouldn't have to pay for what?
My body not being 100% health.
Yeah. It's a pain. I said you can always have my eyeball if you want. Just the one.
There.
Would you like my eyeballs?
There's another test.
Alright.
Yeah, at this
Yeah,
point,
okay.
I'd rather take another
Okay.
death trap.
It is a pain though. Like it's like, well, it's like anything. Like I know it's not quite the same, but like like as you get older, obviously things are gonna happen, and like I'm getting grey hairs a lot now.
You're
Dramatic.
gonna have to
Like a
start
lot.
buying hair dye.
I am, yeah. Or just go bald.
Yeah.
What do you reckon I'd look like bald? I think I'd look very angry.
I have no idea and I can't quite picture it.
Shall I Photoshop it? Well, I did Photoshop myself bald once. And with no facial hair, it looked very weird. I looked a bit like Thanos if he had a diet for like a year. Well, we've made it to a little...
cross.
Do we take the cross?
This one has some jewels on it, right?
Whoa, don't touch it.
It's on scales.
Look at it.
Does he know nothing about treasure?
Most valuable thing we've seen in this cave. Right.
This is another test.
Why are there so many tests to be a pirate?
Or lack thereof.
Why do you reckon?
Okay, so
Disappeared me
Claire?
again.
coins.
Oh, okay. Did you hear what I said?
Sure about this?
But you look like Thanos.
Pretty sure.
Oh no, I said, why do you
Pretty sure we'll
think
have
there's so many tests?
Just one now.
Oh, I don't know.
I got it.
You gotta be worthy, I guess.
Please don't be a
Yeah. Oh no. Well, I think that was a trap. All the lights came on. Oh god. Oh? Oh no, it's not a trap. It's Madagascar, innit?
You recognize the shape?
It's Madagascar.
Yeah, because the note said about Madagascar, didn't it?
Yep.
Look.
And it's pointing
Sorry.
somewhere. Where's that? Is that where the penguins are?
It's Kings Bay.
Yes, it is.
Son of a bitch.
That's where we go. To find the penguins of Madagascar.
And we can get a ride back with them.
Avery. He's screwing with us.
What did you say?
This was supposed to be it. So where's the goddamn treasure? Huh?
You can get a ride back
Kings
in their
Bay, great. Well,
airplane.
what's next?
Yeah.
North Pole? Outer space?
Is that a hint at something, Claire? Are we going to be hanging on the side of a rocket?
That's a bit extreme.
Paradise awaits.
They totally should have done that.
Recruiting. Who was recruiting?
Avery was recruiting.
Recruiting for what?
Fucking hell. Oh no.
Ah, crap.
How'd they find us
You
after all
gentlemen
that?
are very, very noisy.
Oh, well, there you go.
Guns on the floor. Slowly. I still owe you from last time.
Oh, this happens a lot, don't
The
it?
window didn't do it for you?
Our guns get taken.
Rafe. Rafe, come in.
Oh, it's lost. Oh.
Hey, we're here.
Yeah, I'm looking at them right now.
What? Where are you?
Come back to the cathedral. Follow the hose.
How are we going to get out of this
I'm on my
one?
way. For God's
Hey.
sakes, don't shoot him yet.
Not
Not
want to
really
hurry
too
then.
sure.
Do you reckon Sully will fly the plane?
Yeah, straight through the
Yeah,
holes.
but, where in Kings Bay? You'll need that cross over there to figure it out, but
Oh.
there's only 2 people that can tell you how to use it.
Let me guess. You two.
I'll leave it to Rafe.
I like that
He's been waiting
trick.
a long time.
Sorry, boys. I'm not here to negotiate. Bring me the crucifix.
Ooh, they're gonna pick
Not
up
a
the cross.
crucifix.
What?
Well, technically, a crucifix refers to a cross that... You know what?
Jesus is
Never
on.
mind.
Oh, look, they were slightly moving back. Oh, she's noticed. Oh, shit. Well,
The moment they're going to be like, do you think there's another way out?
yeah, hopefully. Oh.